In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add Urdu font on canva.com. So first of all, you need to go on canva.com. This link I will attach in my video description for easy access. You need to click on here, then you are redirected to this website. So I choose any design, so you can choose any design. So I want to write here make money online or how to make money online. So just click on and select any design you want to translate in Urdu. So okay, that's already works. So now just click on app icon. You can see this is app icon. Just click on here, then here are type of translate, translate. Just click on translate, then click on enter. You are able to use this option on your mobile phone. So just click on translate. Okay, just select your language. Here are lots of language available. You are able to translate Bengali, African, Arabic, then Hindi and Portuguese, France, China, etc, etc. Okay, so just choose your language. So I want to choose Urdu. Just click on, then select page. If you select this translate page, then all the right translate in Urdu, but I want to translate a specific title or specific text. So just click on select text. So I select these three options. If you want to if you're not interested to select all, just click on unmark. Then so I need to select these three options. Just click on translate. Okay, you can see this already worked. So I want to, okay, you can see this already work, and you are able to download this picture and thumbnail. I mean, just click on download, then select, and number 2 Urdu. Just click on download button. This is download, I think downloaded on your devices. So if you want to more videos type of, please comment below. If you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again, take care, goodbye.